Hi guys, welcome to my small workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to install an aftermarket tail tidy or license plate holder, how you prefer to call it, on your SMC R390. In this case I'm working on a 390, but this same procedure goes for all displacements from model year 2025 and up. In this case I'm going to install a Tech Bike Germany license plate holder. And at the end of the video, when we install it, I'll give you a small review about the fitment and quality of it. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's install it because the stock one, it's ugly as. The tools you are going to need: hex keys or Allen keys, size 4 and 5 millimeters, or a smaller ratchet with hex inserts. And you are going to need some sort of tool to pry open the connectors. In this case, you can use a small flat screwdriver. First, remove your seat. Next, we are going to undo the top two bolts. When you remove your bolts, put them on the side in small groups, so you don't lose them or mix them up. Next, we are going to remove the bottom bolts. Next, we are going to remove the two top bolts and let the license plate holder hang on its wires. Next, we have to remove this fairing. This is a little bit of a tricky one. We have to push it forward and then a little bit up to unlock the back part. So push it forward and then up, and it's free. You have to put this side in the middle between these two, so it's free, and then you have to move it a little bit so it comes out, and then you just pull it like this. We have to remove this bolt. Do the same thing on the other side. Now we remove the last two bolts. Pull out this connector, pull it up, push down on the small tab and just pull. You can put it down and pull out the license plate holder. Pull up this part and pull the other one out. Then we have this small connector that is for the brake light, and here we need a small screwdriver to push down this tab and push it out. Lastly, grab it here, stretch it with your hands and pull out. Next thing we are going to do is to remove the stock indicators from the original tail tidy. To finish everything, we just push this little rubber seal using a little screwdriver, and we can just push it out, and now everything will come out. We can start to assemble the new tail tidy. Please remember that the black connector on the indicator means that it goes on the left side of your motorcycle. Once we have tightened these two bolts, we can proceed and connect the white connector and the black connector. And in this case I will leave the red one because this is for a license plate light, and this tail tidy has it integrated in the stoplight, so I don't need it. Now that we have assembled everything and fixed the wiring with some zip ties, we can put it back in. We do the same thing we did before. We stretch it a little bit and we push it in. So first of all, guide the wiring in, then stretch it a little bit and push at the same time. It is really easy. Pay attention to the wiring harness because it has to go straight in the middle and came out on this side, so you can plug it in. Let's put everything back together. Let's start with these two bolts. Use the supplied hardware. Don't put them all the way in, just a little bit, so they can hold the tail tidy. Using the supplied hardware, put back these two screws. Don't tighten all the way these two bolts. Push everything forward so it sits really nice in position. And now tighten these two back bolts. You can tighten these two bolts. Then you can plug the two connectors back in. We put back the fairing. This is the last part. It's a little bit of a tricky one, but we can do it. So put it back, push a little bit in with your fingers here, and remember to keep the other fairings out. Push a little bit in, this side will click in, now the other side, everything has clicked in. Now we have to put in this tab. Push it forward, press down, back, and everything is done. Use the original bolts here on both sides and underneath here. To finish everything off, let's talk about this tail tidy. How easy is it to install? Really easy. 15-20 minutes tops and you're done. Well, at least if you're not filming it for YouTube and it's your first video, then it's around 7 hours. Build quality, really good. It's made out of aluminum, it's powder coated. It will last really a long time. They give you this stop light that is smoked and it has the E marks on it, so it's fully street legal, and integrated it has a light for the license plate. They give you this rear reflector that is also street legal with E marks, and everything combined makes it fully street legal for Europe. It will cost you around 150 euros shipped from Germany. I will add the link in the description, so if you want you can buy it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye. Ciao.